Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm back.
Yeah, I got Andrea back. I asked her to do a video because she was requested, and she's like, "Really? Is that what you said? Really?"
I was like, well, I didn't know that so many people was tuned in.
Oh yeah, they love.
I didn't know that.
They like you a lot. You have good.
Well,
energy.
hello family. Happy holidays.
Yeah, you have good energy. So I saw this. We're gonna review a lemon cake. I saw this at Whole Foods and it looked really good. It's called Rubicon Baker's handcrafted California lemon layer cake. Natural and delicious. Bake a better world.
Bake a better
This
world.
was $10.99.
$10.99.
And I don't know about you guys. I love lemon. Any lemon desserts. What about you?
Lemon's pretty good. I like lemon. It's real nice and sweet and sour. Anything sweet and sour is pretty good.
Really?
That's pretty. It looks like a cheesecake.
Yeah, I mean,
Lemon cheesecake, maybe?
it isn't anything. I don't even know what's in here, but
Lemon layer cake.
handcrafted, natural and delicious. So it's natural.
That's important.
All right, let's open it up. Oh my God, smell it. It smells like
Oh, that does smell real nice and lemony. Very sweet.
like one of those lemon pies.
That must be with fresh lemon.
There's some kind of crust on here too.
I wonder what that is.
This
I'll
smells.
have to look at the bottom.
It smells amazing.
It smells real good.
How about you?
I could eat a whole one of them by itself.
How about you cut it and I'll film the process?
Okay.
Is that cool? Sounds good.
All right, let's try to get it in the center. My mom used to always get mad at me when I was cutting the pie or the cake because I used to never get it in the center.
Really? I don't think it has to be perfect.
Okay.
But it kind of looks like cheesecake, huh?
It does look like cheesecake. It's nice and fluffy though, that's for sure. Here, hand me a fork. Okay, let's grab that. Okay, ooh, very fluffy. It's got a layer of something in there too.
Yeah, there's a layer of something. Probably lemon. If my mom watches that video, she's probably going to want to get it because she loves lemon.
Mom's tuned in. Hi, Mom.
Yeah, my mom watches my mom and brother. They love my videos.
Ooh, look at that in the middle. Nice and creamy.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to try this cake and let you guys know our first impression. I'm excited.
Give me a fork. Sorry.
No, I forgot.
It's okay.
Bunch of forks here.
Got a little layer of lemon in there. Mmm. Nice and fluffy.
That's good. There's like lemon frosting in the top and in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
It's good, huh?
That's real nice and moist. That's real sweet. That's real good. Mmm. Mmm.
I love the frosting right here on top.
I think that might be like some type of lemony cream cheese. Something.
Let's try
Pretty
that.
good. See what this graham cracker, what is this?
Yeah, we're trying to.
Mmm. I think those are like cake crumbs or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's.
This is good, y'all. Y'all
It's
need to
good.
go on ahead and try this. 5 stars.
It's really good.
Here's the brand.
Yeah.
This is good.
Especially the frosty part.
I could eat one of these by myself. Oh, yes. On a nice rainy day like today, get a movie, Netflix and chill,
Yeah.
and a nice big lemon cake.
Yeah. It's definitely small enough you could have it for one person.
Uh-huh.
You know?
Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's very, very moist. That's very good cake, you guys.
Yes, this has a nice lemon texture.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
The cake has lemon flavor. The frosting is probably the best part.
Is this a holiday cake, or do you think they have it year-round?
I don't know. It's a company called Rubicon. I think
Rubicon.
they're in the Bay Area.
Oh, okay. Have to check that out.
Because
Rubicon.
I did a review on one of their cakes before
Mm-hmm.
with my friend Linda, and it was a lemon cake, but
Okay.
they might have this regular around.
Yeah, this is pretty good. This was good cake, though. Thanks, pal.
It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
That was a good idea. That was good.
It was really good, guys.
I give it 5 stars.
Yeah, I give it 5
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. It's really good. Check it out.
Mm-hmm.
And
Very moist, very soft, very chewy.
The frosting's the best part.
You can share some or you can share none. Hello.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we're going to do another review. Not going to tell you what it is. It's a little surprise. It'll be a surprise, but it's going to be good. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I have not seen this. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you it's from Target. That's all I will say. But I have not seen this before. Andrea saw it. And when I mentioned lemon cake review, she wanted to review this.
I thought it would be perfect.
It is perfect. Right? It's actually perfect for the cake.
Right, see?
It's perfect.
I thought it would be perfect.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next review. Peace. Dude, that could be our end credit. Yeah, I want something to be end. Something funny.